Alright, so this is a little follow-up video about the Transistor Curvetracer, which I posted earlier. This is the normal NPN version, but in the text it was mentioned that you can also build a PNP version simply by changing the NPN transistors into PNPs and vice versa. And I tried it and it actually works. You need to, like I mentioned, change the NPNs into PNPs, change the PNP into an NPN, reverse the polarity of this diode, and reverse the polarity of the power supply. So this is where plus comes and this is where minus is connected, and naturally you need to place a PNP transistor in the test connections. These connections remain the same for the probes, and this is how I built it up on the breadboard, and this is the result on the scope. As you can see, it works perfectly. I've got a BC557. In here is the transistor under test. The only difference is that now you need to invert channel 2 instead of channel 1. Otherwise, you see the display is upside down. And that's all there is to it. So as you can see, a PNP version is easily done. So you can build 2 prints, make a NPN and a PNP version, put them side by side in a single case, and maybe put some switches in so you can make it switchable between the one and the other. That way you can build a quite neat tester for your transistors. Alright, I just wanted to show you this. It was a little experiment I did today and it turned out pretty good. Okay, thank you for watching. You can read more about this on my blog, which I'll post a link to in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.